Welcome to the introduction of Cresset Chemical Company's Rovr 5860 Release Agent Sprayer Assembly and Instructions. Using the Rovr 5860 compressed air sprayer will consistently help produce superior, attractive concrete surfaces with any Cresset'S, Platinum, and Superstrip release agents. Here are some of the benefits why you should be using the Rovr in your plant today. Cost savings. With larger coverage radius, ultra-thin uniform layer will reduce the amount of release agent needed per square foot. Consistent pressure from regulated air tank. Portability. Slim build and rubber tires allow for easy transport. Larger tanks for release agent and airflow will allow about 5,000 square feet of coverage. The durability of welded steel and tough construction gives the Rovr longevity. Environmentally friendly by reducing airborne emissions and eliminating runoff. Product warranty. Cresset offers a 90-day machine and part replacement warranty. Now, let's unbox your Rovr. In the box, you'll receive all the necessary parts, and with some assembly, you'll be spraying within 20 minutes. Unpacking an assembly will require a half-inch socket wrench. This includes the chassis with 200 psi air tank and wheels, handle with protective plate, a 3-gallon removable liquid tank, 25 feet of hose. Optional hose lengths are available through Cresset, and one complete gun with a mesh filter and fan tip number 800067. Additional spray tip sizes are available through Cresset. Let's put your Rovr together. First, insert the handlebars into the chassis. Place the liquid tank onto the chassis. Roll up the 25-foot hose and place over the handlebars, and connect one end to the liquid tank. To get the best pressure, you will need to fill your air tank to 90 to 200 psi. Having psi between 90 to 200 will give you 3,000 to 5,000 square feet of even coverage. Remove the black cap from the spigot located at the top of the air tank and connect the air source using a chuck. Press down and begin to fill the air tank. As you fill the tank with air, watch the indicator move to the desired 90 to 200 psi on the gauge. When the indicator no longer moves, detach the air source and replace the black cap. Now let's roll on to filling your liquid tank with release agent. A full tank of release agent, depending on wind, should give 3,000 to 5,000 square feet of coverage. Lift the handle on the liquid tank. This will release the lid and allow it to fall enough so the lid may be removed. Always take care to place the lid on a clean surface. Fill the tank to the 3-gallon weld line. Place the lid back into the tank and flip the handle down. This will allow for an airtight seal. At this time, you will attach the hose from the air tank to the liquid tank. You will hear the tank fill with air. Now, let's get busy spraying down some forms and saving some money. Use your Rovr to help achieve high visual impact concrete surfaces, reduce the amount of release agent used per project, and minimize your EPA liability. Whether you are working with a horizontal or a vertical form, use the Rovr to achieve a uniform film and coverage on all surfaces. Apply the release agent holding the gun tip 12 to 18 inches from the form surface. Pass the spray over the form in a straight path at a constant rate. With a flat tip, the path width will be about 24 inches. Overlap each pass by about 3 inches at a coverage rate of 2,000 square feet per gallon. This will produce a wet film thickness less than 5/10,000ths of an inch, again saving you money. When necessary, the liquid tank can be used as a standalone sprayer. It will hold enough air pressure to properly apply release agent to those hard-to-reach places. Characteristics of an excellent application on a smooth, clean, non-porous surface are: immediately after applying the release agent, the surface appears dotted. These dots completely blend after a minute or so to form a continuous film of release agent. You should not see runs, puddles, or heavy lines on the overlapped spray passes. In the case of a high architectural project, mopping or wiping is still recommended. Lightly spray, mop, or rag with release agent before using. This will ensure you're not removing any release agent. For best results, be sure to follow the application recommendations on the Cresset product specification sheet. It will be time to refill your tank with release agent when your consistently strong wide mist becomes short and very fine. Turn the red knob on the top of the tank. This will release the remaining air in the liquid tank and will relieve the pressure from the lid, allowing it to be removed. Lift the handle on the liquid tank and remove the lid. Remember to always take care and place the lid on a clean surface. Refill the tank to the 3-gallon weld line. Place the lid back into the tank and flip the handle down. The Rovr was designed to tackle all possible plant situations. The sturdiness of the airless solid rubber wheels allows the Rovr to roll over any debris without fear of a flat tire. Having just the 2 wheels will allow easy turning, push, and pull motion. To avoid inadvertent rolling on a slope, the Rovr wheels are designed to lock in place when level on the ground. As with any type of industrial plant equipment, regular maintenance will significantly increase the working life of this sprayer. Here are the best practices on keeping your Rovr in service. Always be sure to store in a clean, dry environment. There's no need to depressurize the air tank or empty the liquid tank. Wipe down the Rovr liquid tank before refilling. This will keep debris from contaminating the liquid tank. Do not let the ends of the hose or the gun fall into the dirt. Keeping the hoses clean will allow for easy connecting. Keep the spray tip clean by placing the gun in the holster. A dirty spray tip will cause uneven application of the release agent. At least once a week, screw off the tip of the gun and empty out the 100 mesh screen. As the parts begin to naturally wear down, speak with your Cresset dealer or call Cresset to order replacement parts. Keeping up with maintenance will save you on the cost of your Rovr being down, having to wait on replacement parts. So what do you do if your Rovr isn't working properly? First, check to assure that the air tank is pressurized. Be sure the air tank is connected properly to the liquid tank. Check the lid on the liquid tank for a good seal. Check the bottom of the liquid tank for any debris and clean if needed. Check for a clogged tip and dirty screen. The screen must be in place for proper spray function. In the case that your Rovr is not working properly, give Cresset a call and we will get you connected with technical support. Cresset developed and introduced the Rovr 5860 sprayer to be used in precast and pre-stressed plants and site-cast projects around the world. It has become a vital piece of equipment throughout the industry in producing superior concrete surfaces. The Rovr 5860 compressed air sprayer will give you better coverage, superior concrete surfaces, reduced waste, cost savings, consistent pressure, 90-day warranty, and great technical support. Speak with your Cresset dealer or Cresset for a demo, questions, or information on how to purchase a Rovr. Visit our website at Cresset.com or call 800-367-2020. Be sure to check out our other technical videos on the Cresset Chemical channel on YouTube. This video was produced by Cresset Chemical Company's Technical Service Department.